if I get a good ground. I got 12 volts, 11.98, 12 volts. So I do have power to my bulb. And so maybe the problem, well, obviously I'm gonna have to fix. So we know this is good. This terminal, whatever foldy metal terminal it is. Has connection, okay. So there's power to the bulb, but there's no ground. What if, okay, put this back in. They're in the Napa bag or the new bag in there. One of those bags. Okay, so there's that. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this is what holds everything together. This is what runs electricity. Okay. So we just don't have a ground. There's no content. I can't find where this thing goes. No background. Okay, so I connected the ground side. I connected that, the alligator clip, and that went all the way to here. I found the end of it, which is right underneath the steering wheel, right? And then, so if I do red clip to red, and then black lead to we have continuity. So I have continuity to here. So now I gotta see if we have continuity from here to up here. Because I'm pretty sure that's gonna be our ground then. That's what I'm figuring out. Okay, so that one works. Could it be that the bulb was just bad? Shall we try that out? New bulb. The lights. So the connections are all good. Do you think they're wired wrong? Does it matter? I guess not. I guess our connections are just that bad, and that we have to fix it. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's questionable. Cool. The wiring's all done right. The wiring's actually correct from I've got continuity from here to the ground. So it's literally all these connections are corroded and up here. So
It has power?
yeah, it has power. And this continuity here, like it beeps like that. So I'm guessing it literally is just bad connections all around that's not making it wire. Because I can get ground from here all the way to the steering wheel.
The only thing we need working is the brake and taillights.
I think it should be the same disc bulb, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should be one bolt.
So yeah, just gotta fix that.
Cool. The pump's kind of mounted.
Nice.
He's just gonna have to just throw everything.
Try again. No?
Nope.
Okay, hold on.
Huh?
Try it. No?
It's on. Is the ground grounded?
I guess I would have to find another ground then.
What's the ground you found?
Well, this goes all the way to the steering wheel, so I'm assuming this is the common ground. But it's not working. But I'm definitely getting power through here.
Make it grounded somewhere around here. Does it have to be a really nice fancy one?
I don't know. Like that, you want to try seeing if it turns on?
Sure.
Yeah, that works. So it's a background. Okay.
Did the brake light work?
Try it again.
Nothing?
Nope. It just stays on constant.
Well, we'll just go with stays on constant, I guess.
Maybe if I can go from there. So
Careful with your live wire, I guess.
can you turn the key off? Key off. So now I gotta check continuity from the back here to. So now I have to check continuity from the back to the front and see if this is the bad thing.
Oh, sorry. I didn't check if I was gonna have those. I'm hungry.
Hungry?
What should we do about that?
I'll make that chicken.
Yeah. Just have time.
Yeah, that sucks. Ramen?
Maybe, I don't know if I want to get that before leaving.
Taillights?
Shit, but. Trying to contact the naval warship.
With Morse code.
That thing sounds crazy. Sperry's a fucking crazy guy.
Sperry's pretty cool, dude. He came out of the box of nowhere. So, we need a ground. We need a ground.
Okay.
I wish I figured this out before I fucking spent all this time.
At least you didn't solder it in place or anything.
No, I just did it really nicely. So... let's see how fast I can just make a groundhog. Give it to me.
Probably be, the guava again.
So expensive though.
Yeah. Okay, cheap. You could do weenies.
We could do these.
It's kind of bad to do.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
What's another bad thing I want to do? You want to go to Subway maybe? Yeah. I might get something to drink, man. I'm tired. Might make Gatorade and wash the gas off for me.
Could you bring some lights out when you get out? Please? That's not gonna work. So.
Do it?
Yeah. We have light.
Put it in the thingy. Here, you can grab it. Let me turn the light on.
That's a little win.
You got one back.
One back.
Nice. I don't know exactly how the brakes work.
I don't know. I haven't been.
Cross each other like that.